Baru kali ini lihat ada kerbau liar sebanyak ini di Kuala Lumpur di tengah kota ya. Mungkin ini culture shock terbesar saya di sini. Look, the baby is drinking milk.
Yeah, and there are birds resting on their noses.
Oh yeah. I'll
Like
zoom in.
capybaras on alligators. The sunset is beautiful. Everything is colored blue. And it's not like what you would see in like animation or anything. Normally they always color sunsets red.
Orange, something like
Yeah,
that.
but the sunlight here is actually bluer than it is red or orange.
Gosh, look how beautiful Mount Kiara in the evening.
You don't see these kinds of lighting in Hungary. Back there, the only lights were car lights.
Oh yeah, like they save electricity a lot. You know how expensive the
Yeah,
electricity
sure.
is. Ayu Petri dan
Hi guys, we're somewhere near Desa Kiara. I'm not entirely sure where that we are, but we're about to see water buffalo, kerbau. Let's go.
Met Angon Kebo.
I've been waiting to see these buffalo for a while, and I think this is our chance. So, just up there, it looks like there will be buffalo there. We must press onward.
Alright, let's see. The bungalows are above there. Not buffaloes, bungalows. No, only if you are like irritate them. Kita jalan di bukit yang terjal. Wah, ngos-ngosan guys. Ini kalau anak muda ya, jalannya cepet. We are on top of the world.
Yeah, feels like it. But these bungalows tower over us.
You know what this is? Perfume.
Yeah, let's just call it that. Yep. This is the kind of thing you should euphemize.
You saw it?
Our journey was not in vain after all.
Oh my
Look,
gosh.
They're keeping a baby.
Yes!
All asleep and lazing and grazing. Lazy bums. I hope I don't get attacked saying that.
No. Isn't this your first time?
Yeah.
Seeing them in your lifetime. Ya teman-teman, sekarang kita ada di ujung Mount Kiara. Ini di sebelah sebuah bungalow. What's the name of this?
I don't know.
Serene. I
Yeah.
think ya, Serene. Di sebelahnya ada seperti hutan kecil seperti ini. Saya sering hiking ke sini sama teman-teman. Ada tempat yang namanya Water Buffalo Lake, danau kerbau gitu. Di bawah situ. Dan di sini kalau waktunya tepat ya, kita akan bisa melihat kerbau-kerbau liar pada ngumpul di sini, nongkrong.
Yeah. That very descriptive of what they're doing at the moment.
Yeah, and I think they'll be around this time, like sunset and sunrise. So the best time to come here is early morning
I
or
guess they
afternoon.
can't stand the midday heat.
Very hot.
And humid.
Mm-hmm.
But you gotta wonder what they're up to during that time when they're not out grazing in the twilight.
What do they do?
I imagine that they just barrel into the forest and do whatever they need to do there.
Mm-hmm. And I wonder, like, they don't have a house, shelter. What do they do during rain?
That's true.
They don't have hotel, I bet.
And they clearly don't like being wet.
Mhm.
I mean, it rained multiple times when we came to see the buffalo and they weren't there.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Whenever it's raining, we didn't
Yeah.
see them. Don't scare them. Wow, teman-teman lihat. Ini pertama kalinya seumur hidup saya. Umur saya tuh 45 tahun, teman-teman, nggak muda lagi. Baru kali ini lihat ada kerbau liar sebanyak ini di Kuala Lumpur di tengah kota ya. Kalau di Indonesia pasti ini sudah jadi hak milik, iya gak? Wah, mereka santai aja di situ. Ya ampun. Mungkin ini culture shock terbesar saya di sini. Look, The baby is drinking milk.
Yeah, and there are birds resting on their noses.
Oh yeah. I'll
Like
zoom in.
capybaras on alligators.
Dengerin suaranya teman-teman, hanya ada burung berkicau dan mereka tenang saja jalan-jalan di sekitar kerbau. Ada yang naik ke atas punggungnya gitu, ya ampun. Cute.
Come too close, Mom.
No, it's okay. They are just grazing.
Without a care in the world.
Yeah. Isn't it amazing?
Very. Didn't know these were around. Looks like we're on National Geographic. Or, well, International Geographic. I don't even care anymore.
How many are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
6,
9.
7.
Yeah, 9 of them, I think.
The ears of this mommy kerbau is like capybaras. It keeps moving.
Yeah. I think one of the baby buffalo is looking at me. Look at all of these buffalo just relaxing and enjoying their their day. Not having to worry about things like IB.
Unlike you,
Yeah.
they don't need to study.
Oh, the burdens of being a human. Although you do get the ability to make predictions and incredible pattern recognition, which could be seen as a good thing or a bad thing, depending on whom you ask.
Mhm.
Me personally, I'd say the pattern recognition is a bad thing, because now I think everything is a cultural reference.
Oh my gosh. Speak English, bro. In Japanese, we call this kebo.
Kabo.
Kebo.
Kabo.
In
mean-
Indonesian?
Kerbau.
Mhm.
I can see how that would work as like a slang.
Yeah, but
contraction.
the stereotype of kebo is stupid in Japanese.
These buffalo don't look stupid.
Isn't it offensive, right?
Yeah,
And
they're
we
not
have
stupid at
a
all.
saying when somebody is stupid, we call them longa longo koyo kebo. I thought that in Malaysia, this is the first country where I don't feel any culture shock. But I think I do to a certain extent. This is it. This is my culture shock. Because in the capital city, we could see wild animals like this roaming around. It's amazing. And I think it's not just water buffalo. We've seen monkeys.
Yeah.
We've seen...
I think the word was synanthropic species that
Which one?
the monkeys in particular, because they have benefits from living with humans,
Oh, so
coexistence.
that's why they are not scared of humans.
Yeah,
They coexist.
they
But
adapt.
It's amazing. Like they could live side by side.
Yeah,
This
Buffalo?
amazing. Yeah, they're
That's-
not scared of us. We are just
Mhm.
like a few meters away,
yeah.
and there are lots of people hiking.
That's something you don't get with a lot of cities.
Yeah, exactly. Look at the beautiful sunset.
I did not see that.
Yeah.
I gotta take it.
We've been coming here for days and it's always raining at this time. Today
This
we
is our
got
fourth time, I
lucky. Yeah. Finally!
finally got what we wanted.
You know, 10 years ago when I walked with you, I had to protect you. Sometimes carrying you because you would be tired. Carry me, please. And now you're protecting me because you're much bigger.
I'm growing older, stronger, wiser.
Really?
Well, maybe those last two weren't true. I'm just growing older.
It is true though. Let's go back to the city. Dari situ kelihatan Mount Kiara. Kita ada di puncak bukit ya. Jadi nanti kita harus turun ke bawah. Naiknya tadi lumayan menanjak, agak susah. Sekarang turun gampang. Sampai ke tengah-tengah Mount Kiara paling 3-4 kilometer gitulah. Oke, jadi bolak-balik kalau kita jalan ke sini 6-7 kilometer. Lumayan guys, hiking.
Bye bye buffalo. Buffalo, 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 buffalo. And a bungalow.
Buffalo and bungalow. Ya guys, jadi akhirnya Matt bisa angon kebo. Zaman saya masih kecil dulu, saya tinggal di kampung ya. Kalau ada temen yang nggak mau sekolah gitu, nakal, pasti bapaknya bilang, "Nek nakal gak gelem sekolah, tak tukokno kebo loh." Itu artinya kalau nakal kamu nggak mau sekolah, nanti aku beliin kerbau. Di sini ada banyak kerbau gratis. Tapi bukan untuk hak milik ya, tapi sebagai hewan yang harus dijaga kelestariannya. Just admiring the view.
Oh yeah.
We are in KL.
This, you can see people playing volleyball. Kind of like my friends. Because they like playing volleyball. I don't, personally. I thought,
You prefer chess?
yeah. Chess is the only sport that I actually enjoy.
Yeah. This is a nice place for hiking. And one thing I like about here, like it feels safe
Very.
everywhere. Yeah. Even in quiet place like this, we will see people
Yeah.
and then they are very friendly. When you ask them for direction, questions, they will explain.
Patient as well.
Yeah, because sometimes we have different accent, different languages, but they are patient. I think this is the water buffalo lake.
Funny
think.
because they don't actually hang out at this lake.
Maybe, sometimes. Maybe they take shower.
Nature's shower.
Yeah.
Looks like it's drizzling.
Is it?
You can see the reflections.
But
in
only there actually. Here it's okay.
Yeah.
I think maybe there are fish, small fishes,
Like plankton,
tadpoles.
tadpole. Oh yeah, that's true. I'm not sure how huge or small tadpoles are though.
You have never seen them.
Nope. I have never even seen. I have seen a frog. I saw one. I
Where?
remember. I think it was at one of the Bobaya in Hungary.
Mhm.
Those bobsled places. I think I saw a frog there at one point. It was really cool. I still don't know the word synanthropic.
I don't know.
They're called crab-eating macaques, I think.
Wow.
Macaque.
Macaque. Very
Yeah.
difficult name.
It's spelled Macaque.
It's beautiful, but I think it's getting dark.
Yeah.
Let's
we should
go.
Probably go back to the city.
Yep.
Let's go to the city.
Yay! There are lots of people up there.
Oh yeah. I mean, it's Friday, Mom.
Oh ya, ini kita sudah di atas guys. Jadi danau kerbaunya tadi ada di situ di bawah sebelah kanan. Kalau mau lihat kerbaunya, kita harus jalan terus naik ke bukit itu pas di atasnya tadi. Di seberangnya lagi, kerbau-kerbaunya ada di situ. Tapi waktunya harus tepat ya. Di sini ramai, ada banyak orang hiking, ngumpul. Kita sudah kembali ke civilization. Capek, Matt?
I'm kinda tired.
Pulang?
Sure.
Jalan kaki or grab?
Jalan kaki.
Oh,
I like the process.
Oke, dari sini kita jalan kaki. Teman-teman boleh ikut ya. Bisa lihat pemandangan di sini. Jujur yang paling saya suka dari daerah Monkiara itu sangat pedestrian friendly. Sangat mudah untuk pejalan kaki ya. Ada trotoar di mana-mana, gampang menyeberang di mana-mana, dan kita lihat ada banyak keluarga, bahkan anak-anak kecil gitu jalan kaki sendirian. Itu bikin happy. Tuh, anak kecil sepedaan sendiri, jalan kaki sendiri di sini tuh udah biasa.
Oh, people are petting the black cat.
Yeah.
The one that's
Following us, yeah.
on our way. That's so cute.
Yeah. Di daerah sini ada kayak barak untuk pekerja mungkin ya.
It's
Ini
following us again. The cat.
it's okay. Ini tebakan saya sih. Barak untuk pekerja konstruksi. Mungkin di sini ada banyak konstruksi untuk kondo. Untuk nggak tahu apa lagi di depan itu mau dibangun apa. Di sini masih banyak pohon hijau-hijauan. Banyak monyet di situ juga. Oh, kucingnya ikut.
Hello. I'll nickname him Chill Bill.
Chill Bill.
Yeah.
Take picture of the sunset from here.
Oh. And the bungalows.
Yeah.
They're covered in the fog from the sunset as well. I don't know. As like with game development, I'm used to calling this kind of mist fog.
Amazing.
Beautiful.
Oh, I can hear the sound of fogging.
Mm-hmm.
That's why there's no mosquito. Wow, this neighborhood is just so peaceful,
Yeah.
so beautiful.
Amazing.
Yeah, and you see lots of workers going home, so I don't think it feels creepy.
It's beautiful. The sunset is beautiful. Everything is colored blue. And it's not like what you would see in like animation or anything. Normally they always color sunsets red.
Orange, something like
Yeah,
that.
but the sunlight here is actually bluer than it is red or orange.
Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful.
Very.
No feeding.
Monkey. Monkey.
Here. My gosh, look how beautiful Mount Kiara in the evening.
Yeah. The lights.
Yeah.
You don't see these kinds of lighting in Hungary, for example.
Where?
In Hungary.
Oh, in Hungary.
Back there, the only lights were car lights. It was very rare that you could see a room lit up like this.
Oh yeah, yeah. Like they save electricity a lot. You know how expensive
Yeah,
electricity
true.
is. But the pavement, the wall, the light, the plants, everything is so beautiful. Now we're just going down the slope.
Yeah,
It's
much
easier.
when we're headed downward.
Again, you see some people walking.
Yeah,
So
community.
yeah, we don't feel scared.
Okay, everyone. So we've arrived at the heart of Mount Kiara again. It's really good that we finally managed to see the water buffalo, but we're really tired now, so we're just gonna go buy some food and go home. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed, please keep up with our videos because, yeah, we've got some interesting stuff to show from our life. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Malam minggu orang-orang pada keluar. Jalan kaki lebih cepat daripada naik mobil. Mad. Oh no, it's faster to walk than to ride a car.
Wow.